yada 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 yada.
Ayo, collector check. Show the most expensive item in your collection, the least expensive item in your collection, the item everyone wants to steal when they see your collection, the item that's least likely to be had by any other collector, your first item in your collection, the newest item in your collection, the strangest item in your collection, and your favorite item in your collection.
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
Like you cut G. 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 Like you cut G.
Let's see if you have a rainbow in your collection. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet.
Moi je voulais m'en aller, et ce depuis autant d'années. J'essaie de faire le vide souvent, sourire ou de faire le tri. Bad boy, bad. Yeah.
If you hit it one more time, you're grounded. If you hit it one more time, I'm taking all your toys. If you hit it one more time, I'm kicking you out of the house. If you hit it one more time, I'm gonna unadopt you. If you hit it one more time, Jeffy, I'm gonna take you out of school. You're never going back to school again.
Fidget collector chat, show me your newest fidget toy, your favorite fidget toy, the fidget toy that's best for school, your least favorite fidget toy, a fidget toy you've never seen someone else have, and a fidget that you highly recommend to others.
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. I cannot stop, or else I'll explode all over you. I know that's bad, but okay.
I want you on my team.
So does everybody else.